and summer means blue, white, and gold. And I think nothing really says summer better than some of those colors. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how I pulled together a capsule wardrobe that's going to get me through a week away and show you all the great things I got that are blue, white, and gold just in time for summer. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I pack Kira only and stay wrinkle-free. Let's get started. What I'm wearing on the plane is one of the most important outfits that I will take on my travel adventure because I'm going to wear it on the flight out, on the flight back, and it's got to mix and match with everything that I'm taking on my travel adventure. Of course, it's navy blue, and I love that because that's the capsule wardrobe color. And I paired it with a pair of white slip-on Skechers because I like comfort. They're stretchy. Plus, when I get to my destination, if I want to do a bit of walking, these are going to be the shoes that I choose. Plus, white just kind of goes with everything. White tennis shoes always just go. Paired with a white t-shirt that I got at Target, and it's nice and ribbed and comfortable, and white t-shirts go with just about everything. Nice pockets here in the front, and it has a nice big pocket here to put some things in when you're traveling, like, sitting on your seat and you want some things that are just right there, like your battery or your glasses or your lip gloss and stuff like that. It zips all the way up, so if it gets a little bit cold, I can have it zip all the way up to my neck, and it's just so comfortable. And I want to tell you, I got back from my trip, I washed this, I put it in the laundry basket. It sat there for 2 weeks in a laundry basket, and it still looks this good. Like, it just didn't wrinkle. That's one of the things I really look at is this going to be something that if I take it on my travel adventure, it's going to be a pain in the butt to like get wrinkles out. This is comfortable. It is something that is true to size. I'm wearing a size medium bottom and a medium top, and this is one of my favorite travel outfits now. Same pants, but all I did was change out the top and the shoes. Now, these shoes are also by Skechers. They're slip-ons, but they're not white. They are like a creamy white, which I like because it went with the sweater that I also got at Target. Still have my hair pulled back with this little hair tie, and it just gives me a great look when I'm going to be out barbecuing and it gets a little bit chilly at night. This is going to do just fine. I love this outfit. It is so comfortable. The dress is by Target. It is 100% cotton. It has a stretchy smocked bodice, so it's nice and comfortable. It has pockets. I love pockets for lip glosses, sunglasses, whatever you want to have in there. I paired them with some jellies. I think these are by Crocs, something very minimalist. When it's hot, I don't want a lot of things on my feet. These are comfortable. I've walked a long way in these little, strappy shoes. I paired them with some gold earrings and a gold necklace. I got this in Savannah last year. And then I've strategically placed this little crossbody bag right here. This is by Womads. It's their white leather crossbody, quality leather. I love their stuff. I love this little strap detail here where it's a little woven. It gives it a nice little fun detail. And you'll see here that I have a bow. It's just a kerchief that I got at Target, and I just tied it onto the purse, but I strategically kind of placed it on me so it looks like it's part of the dress. It is going to be a great outfit to wear this summer, whether you're going out shopping, lunch with girlfriends, whatever. A great summer blue, white, and gold outfit. This is another great summertime outfit that I'm really going to enjoy wearing this year. It's blue with a little bit of creamy white, and I like that. It just tones down the white a little bit. I have my jelly shoes on. Again, if it's hot, like something like this, it's very strappy. I paired it with the gold jewelry, and if you look really close here, you'll see this little piece of jewelry is just poking right through like the little keyhole in my dress. This is a crochet dress. It has a liner, and it's so comfortable and stretchy too, so great for those hot summer days. I'm also having this bag here that I got from the clearance rack at Target. Literally got this bag for like $9.99 or something like that. So if you can find something like this at your Target, it's great, but it's a great match for this kind of creamy white and navy blue, perfect for summer. I love a good jumpsuit, especially when it's not a jumpsuit. This is actually two pieces that I got at Target. The top and the bottom are separate. I love the pants because they have a little bit of elastic right here in the back, and so does the top. So it has some give, allows you to pull it down and kind of get it snug so it looks really like a jumpsuit, yet when you go to the bathroom, you don't feel like you're undressing almost everything just to go to the bathroom. I have paired this with my Womad's bag, and I still have the little bow, and I love the juxtaposition of the polka dots on here. I think it's a nice little play. It makes it really cute and fun. Still have the gold earrings, the gold necklace and everything, the blue, white, and gold theme still going on, and of course still wearing the jellies because again, since I'm packing a capsule wardrobe, I want to make sure that I'm going to be able to get everything I need. So this outfit is going to be one of my favorites for going out to dinner, going out day tripping, whatever it is, and it'll allow me to mix and match because it's two pieces. Yes, I am actually going to mix stripes and polka dots together because I think it's just fun. I love the whole idea of that. This is the same pants that I had on earlier, and now I have paired it with this beautiful top that has tiny little blue pinstripes in it. I love this because it gives it a little bit of a tailored look. It has nice buttons here. It has a nice tie in the back. So for those of you who have a tiny waist, you're going to be able to tighten that up and show off that tiny waist. But if you're like me and a little thicker, it allows you to loosen that up and still give you a little bit of a nice feminine look. Now, this does run a little small, so I probably should have sized up on this a little bit, but I do love how it fits and it's just very tailored looking. I paired it with that little clearance bag, and also got a hair tie at Target like this that's the blue that's tying everything together when I just need to get my hair pulled back and off of my face. Still have the gold jewelry, still have the gold jellies, and another great comfortable outfit for day tripping or a nice night out on the town. This outfit says summer fun for me. The blue and white crispness of this little tank top with the white shorts. This tank top is from Target. I love the little scalloped edge that it has and the little square neck here and the little spaghetti straps. Shorts are old, had them for years, but I also have my Skechers on that I would wear on the plane. A nice little kerchief in my hair just gives it a fun little feel, and I just feel like I'm playtime now for the summer. Great for those hot days. This says fun for me. When it's hot out, this outfit is going to work because the top is blousy and not sitting right against my skin. Pairing it with a pair of white shorts. This is the top that I wore earlier with the thing that I said was a jumpsuit, but it's two pieces, so getting double wear out of it. Wearing with the Skechers, but I can also wear them with the jelly. A little play with the polka dots and the polka dots with the little kerchief in my hair. It just says summer fun barbecue, especially on those hot days. This is going to be something I definitely wear. Ahoy! I feel like I should be out on a yacht with this outfit. The blue and white, just so crisp. The stripes just make me feel nautical for some reason, and the gold buttons. I think that's what really does it. It's just a nice little outfit if you want to be out and about, maybe day tripping or something. All you have to do is add one of the purses. I'm wearing these with sneakers because I just think it looks nice with the white sneakers, and this outfit right here is so comfortable. This is not by Target. This is something I got at TJ Maxx, but I just love the gold buttons and everything that it had with it. It just really dressed up this little sweater vest. So as you can see, my capsule wardrobe is mostly just navy blue, white, and gold, no other colors. It doesn't mean I couldn't add other colors like maybe red or something like that. It just means that I'm going to try to not pack a lot of other colors that are going to actually cause me more confusion when I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear on a daily basis, or that I can't mix and match together. So think about that, try things on, have fun doing it, make sure everything fits and looks good together, and that way when you pack up, you'll be able to go carry on only. When packing my capsule wardrobe, I like to have this flat side of the suitcase to be places where I lay out my longer items and have them layered in here so they don't get a bunch of wrinkles and folds in them. And I'll start off layering one piece at a time. By alternating each way that I lay something, it gives me some material to lay over when I fold over. And this is going to not be in packing cubes because all of these things are going to hang in a closet. Now I'm going to start layering in some things that I don't want folded a lot, so I can lay them out lengthwise. It'll help keep them from wrinkling. So these are my tops, and I'll lay them right in here on top of the pants and the dress. Since this dress is knit, it's not going to show as much wrinkling, so I'm putting that in the center. So once I fold everything over, it won't have as many wrinkles because the material just doesn't wrinkle as easily. Now that the side is done, let's start folding it all together. I'm going to start with the knit dress. Because of the material, I can fold it on itself. It's not going to wrinkle. And I go from one side to the other, layering each fold on top of the other side. So what happens here is there's no hard creases. All of the clothing that is in here is folded over other things, so there'll be no hard creases in my clothing. On this side, I'm going to pack in my extra pair of sneakers and my jelly sandals. This is my packing cube with my shorts, bra, underwear, and some the extra t-shirts, my toiletries bag. I keep my socks stuffed in my shoes, and I have a little bit of space here, some little incidentals that I want to put in, but this gets most everything I need in my whole luggage, my carry-on luggage for my travel adventure. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, be prepared for anything on your travel adventures and stay tuned to this channel.